Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. In last lecture, we have discussed different ways to optimize a web page. So now we well know about how to improve our website. But to identify some drawbacks in our website, there is a necessity of SEO audit. Also in this lecture we are going to discuss about a purchasing funnel. So let us discuss first about a SEO audit. SEO by performing a SEO audit you will come to know about some drawbacks in your website, what improvements are necessary in your website. To perform such a SEO audit there are different tools freely available. See here, one of the tool is SC Optimer. This is the interface of this SC Optimer software. Let us have a look over this SEO audit tool. Open any browser. Then here type SC Optimer. First link is about a SC Optimer to analyze the websites with free SEO audit tool. Click on that link and here is the interface of SC Optimer software. So here you can type address of the website of which you want to perform a SEO audit. Suppose we type as a www.w3school.com and click on a audit button. Now here SEO audit has started now. You can see the progress of it over here in terms of how many percentage it is completed. Now it is 100% completed and it provides you with a result of that audit. See here, there is a different ranking. Your SEO needs improvement is the result of that audit. Then it gives a detailed information about every way that we have discussed in optimizing a web page. See here HTML header which contains title and meta tag. Then body content which again contains header, that is heading level tags H1 to H6, keyword consistency, amount of content, images with alt attribute or not. See here you have images on your page that are missing alt attribute, that is alt attribute has not used in a image tag, img tag. So such a every minor mistakes also will be identified using this audit or performing this audit. Then links, backlinks, on-page link structure, broken links, friendly URLs, then about indexing, some other factors that we have also discussed about robots.txt, analytics, then rankings, monthly traffic, usability about your website, Flash, favicon, iframes, tab targeting, legible font sizes. Every point that we have discussed in a last lecture in optimizing a web page is having detailed information in this SC audit tool. Security results and recommendations. In this way it performs a SEO audit, and performing such a SEO audit you will come to know about different drawbacks and different improvements that needed in your website. Now let us move to the next topic, that is digital analytics, Mr. Suhas asked to Dr. Ajay that, sir, I am also facing this problem that many people visit my website but they do not purchase or place order to buy my product. This is very depressing. Sir, please tell me what to do. See, now up to this point, we have discussed about different ways to optimize web page, how our web page should be designed so that many people will access your website. But see, now many people are visiting the website but they are not purchasing any product, not placing order to buy the product from the website of Mr. Suhas. So this is the problem faced by Mr. Suhas. To this problem, Dr. Ajay replies that, yes, I will tell you why this is happening. Please don't be depressed. Take a look at a funnel drawn below. So there is a funnel, that is purchasing funnel. You must try to understand that many users may come to your website but conversion will be little because the customer is having more choice and the market has become consumer oriented. Understand that the market behaves in three stages, that is acquisition, behavior and conversion. See, many people are visiting to your website but they are not purchasing the product from your website. Why? Because users have many choices, many different similar sites will be available there, which may gives them more discount, many offers will be there, and that's why they are not buying product from your site. So that particular process follows the three stages, that is acquisition, behavior and conversion, which is called as a purchasing funnel. See here diagram of purchasing funnel. First stage is a acquisition. Acquisition means knowing about your website and developing an interest. Many people knows about your website is not a little thing. They are visiting to your website. That means they have an interest in your website. That is in a first stage, that is acquisition stage. Second one is a behavior. That means watching a video on your site, clicking on a product description. That means they are moving somehow forward to buy the product by watching the video of your product or by looking at the product description. So that is in a second stage, that is behavior. And the last stage is the conversion. That means user becomes your customer, that is that user buys a product from your website. So there are three stages in a digital analysis called as a purchasing funnel, that is acquisition, behavior and conversion. So first is acquisition. Acquisition means creating interest in the mind of customer about your product. He must know that this product is essential for him. Without this product, he cannot satisfy his need. See, the product which is there to sell, that is more important for the user, or without that the need of that user will not be satisfied. Such a kind of uh, feeling should be there in a user's mind. That is a acquisition stage. Second one is the behavior. Once he knows about the product, he may feel of buying or may not feel to buy the product. So by looking at the description of your product, the user must feel of buying the product or may feel to not the buy product. But you must put such a information on your website that he must feel to buy a product. Next, that is last stage of purchasing funnel, is a conversion. When he is convinced and no other competitor gives him better offer than you, he buys the product clicking buy option. So now he becomes your ultimate customer. This process is called as a filtration of the funnel. So many people visit to your website. They possess the interest in your product, that is in a acquisition stage. Second is the behavior. That means they know more about your product and they may feel to buy the product, that is a behavior. And the last stage is the conversion. That means they are agreed to buy a product because it is the only site providing a best offer with a best price and a best product. That is in a conversion stage, within which that user becomes your customer, your ultimate customer. So this is about a purchasing funnel. Note down this, draw this diagram of purchasing funnel and note these three stages: acquisition, behavior and conversion. Thank you.